Hi guys, today I want to show you how to view LinkedIn without an account. So this is pretty simple, so head over to Google, let's type in Google. Now type in, for example, Elon Musk LinkedIn. Just type in the search terms that you are looking for plus the LinkedIn account in Google. So this will make Google send you results of the LinkedIn profiles. So click on the first link here, for example. Click on Elon here with Musk. So here you can see the Google with the LinkedIn account of this person without having a LinkedIn account. So you get the idea, guys. Just type in here your search term of the people you're searching for plus LinkedIn account in Google. This way you have the ability to see accounts in LinkedIn without signing with your own account. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.